Once upon a time, in the vast, dark expanse of the universe, there were only tiny particles floating in the cold emptiness. But over time, these particles began to gather together, pulled by an invisible force called gravity. Slowly, they formed huge clouds of gas, mostly hydrogen, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe. In one of these clouds, something extraordinary happened. The particles squeezed closer and closer until, in the very heart of the cloud, a spark was lit. This was no ordinary spark. It was the birth of a star. A star is born when the temperature and pressure at its center become so intense that nuclear fusion begins. This fusion process is like a giant engine where hydrogen atoms are smashed together to create helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy. This energy is what makes stars shine, lighting up the darkness of space. But stars don't live forever. Depending on their size, they either end their lives in a peaceful manner or go out with a spectacular bang. Smaller stars, like our Sun, eventually swell up into red giants, shedding their outer layers to leave behind a small, dense core called a white dwarf. These white dwarfs fade slowly over time, like embers after a campfire. On the other hand, massive stars live fast and die young. When they've used up all their fuel, they can no longer support the weight of their outer layers, causing the star to collapse in on itself. This collapse creates a powerful explosion called a supernova, which blasts the star's outer layers into space. In this fiery explosion, even heavier elements like gold and uranium are created. These elements scatter across the universe, seeding future generations of stars, planets, and even life itself. In this way, every star in the universe plays a vital role in the cosmic cycle of life. The atoms that make up your body, the carbon in your cells, the calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, were all forged in the heart of a star that lived and died long before the Earth was born. In a very real sense, we are all made of stardust. But stars don't just build the universe, they also shape it. The light from stars travels across space, bringing warmth and energy to planets like Earth. Without the sun's light, life on Earth would not be possible. Plants use sunlight to make food through a process called photosynthesis, which supports almost all life on Earth. The sun's gravity also keeps the planets in our solar system in orbit, creating the stable conditions needed for life to thrive. Stars also guide us, even from millions of miles away. For centuries, sailors have used the stars to navigate the seas, and today astronomers use them to map the cosmos. By studying the light from distant stars, scientists can learn about the age, composition, and history of the universe. They can even discover new planets orbiting these stars, some of which might harbor life. And then there's the Milky Way, our home galaxy, a vast collection of billions of stars bound together by gravity. It's just one of billions of galaxies in the universe, each one a swirling island of stars, planets, and mysteries. In the center of many galaxies, including our own, lies a supermassive black hole, a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. These black holes are formed from the remnants of massive stars and play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, including the formation of new stars. But stars do more than create and destroy, they also inspire. For thousands of years, people have looked up at the night sky, marveling at the stars. They've used them to tell stories, to mark the changing seasons, and to connect with something greater than themselves. The stars remind us of our place in the universe, of the vastness of space, and of the endless possibilities that lie beyond our planet. And yet, despite all we've learned, the stars still hold many secrets. What lies beyond the edge of the universe? How did it all begin? And where are we headed? These are the questions that drive astronomers to keep looking up, to keep searching for answers in the starlight. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you're looking at more than just distant lights. You're seeing the engines that power the universe, the factories that create the elements of life, and the storytellers that have guided humanity for thousands of years. The stars are more than just pretty dots in the sky. They are the key to understanding who we are, where we come from, and where we're going. And in the end, they remind us that we are all connected, not just to each other, but to the cosmos itself, made from the same stardust that lights up the universe.